In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes using Google Docs, an incredibly handy tool for organizing tasks and keeping track on shared documents. Let's dive right into the process. To start, open your Google Docs document and highlight the text where you want to insert checkboxes. When selecting this text, be sure to choose the exact words or lines that will represent each task or list item you want a checkbox for. The highlighted text will be the focal point for this transformation. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top navigation menu where you'll find a tab labeled Format. Click on this tab to reveal a drop-down menu. This section offers various options for formatting your document, including font styles, paragraph settings, and most importantly for us, options for lists and bullets. Once you're in the Format menu, look further down the list to find Bullets and Numbering. This feature is designed to help you create lists that are well structured and easy to follow. Click on Bullets and Numbering to open yet another menu. Now you're getting closer to integrating those checkboxes. Within the Bullets and Numbering menu, you'll see a few options, but the one we are after is Checklist. Click on Checklist and you will be given several styles for checklists. Here, you can choose the style of checklist you prefer, typically a checkbox that appears right next to your highlighted text. This step is crucial because it allows you to customize the appearance of your list, ensuring it matches the theme and style of your document. Select the one that stands out to you, and just like that, your highlighted text should transform into a checklist. This system is not only aesthetically pleasing, but functional, as it provides you and others with a visual cue of tasks that need to be completed. The ability to tick them off directly in the document as tasks are accomplished adds an interactive layer to your regular to-do list. And there we have it. With this simple addition, your document is now primed for tracking tasks and boosting productivity, whether you're working alone, with a partner, or in a team.
The great thing about using Google Docs for checklists is its versatility and collaborative nature. You can easily share these documents with others, ensuring everyone is up to date with what needs to be done. And if any changes are made, Google Docs updates in real time, keeping all collaborators on the same page. So that's all there is to creating a checklist in Google Docs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your organization efforts. Feel free to explore and customize further if needed. And thank you for